just as if they are doing a movie.
We just alert.
We are alert. You just come, yeah. So everybody, I know we have come. That sounds.
Okay, City.
It's sweet.
Oh, stop it.
Yeah. You know, it's just what we, you know, as a way it just boils your blood, you know, just make it in your body, you know.
Hello, everyone. Happy Old School Day, because as far as me and they concerned, Thursdays for me na Old School Day.
TBT.
Yes, now thinking throwback.
You did this last week.
I did tell you this thing. I wanted to say Thinking Back Thursday.
Thinking Back Thursday. It's the same thing you did last week.
Throwback Thursdays, and Thursday they represent old school for me. So from old culture to old music to old dance steps,
yes,
to old ways of impacting knowledge that actually worked.
Yes, yes.
You know, because these days, the way when people they take learn something
is different.
It's different
from before.
From before. Before. When they teach you, they know about you where you go learn them.
You will learn it.
But these days,
social media.
You don't really even know what is the teaching and where is the learning.
You will just wake up.
It's a confused state.
Oh, and just to say your pikin don't learn things where you know be you coach them.
You know, I remember that time when we did grow. You know how, because I grew up in a Christian family, yes, and you know how we go church for Sunday, and you go your friend house. But you know, say they not born you where, may you tell your mama say you won't go.
No, you don't fit.
So you can't go meet your friend.
Yes.
Can't say, please tell your mommy
to
tell my mommy that she should allow me come to your house.
Now permission.
Now permission.
Permission.
God can't help you. Your mama, because you don't go want to tell your friend mama, no. She go can't agree. But when you can't go meet her, say, okay, mommy, I'm going. If she smile, answer you, you are safe.
Yes.
If she can't lick you, say, till you come back. You know, so your own don't finish.
So if for us like boys, just go play that play. Enjoy the place where you did. Because when you say you come back.
When you come back.
You have to face consequences.
When you resume.
Yes.
When you arrive, you shall face consequences for your indecent action. Because I didn't really know how to quantify it.
But things don't change.
A lot
Has changed. You know.
You know, say, make I even give you another gist. When we they grow that year, when we did secondary school, people they call them high school these days. When we did secondary school, ordinary notebook you won't collect from your guy, from your friend, from your classmates. If you see person where you know, not be your papa, not be your mama, just random auntie or uncle or auntie where they live for area or uncle where they live for area where you know, you go duck.
Yes.
You go hide. Make them for no see you.
Make them go tell your people.
Make them for no tell them. Not be say you just want to collect something. You go hide. These days.
No. Let's not even go there. This is before when they go school. They carry bag for back.
Yes.
This is they fold one notebook. One for back pocket. You understand? So it don't change. Cheese don't change. Children of that day and this day are different. So in a very, very large way, that's the reason why we need to be a bit more observant. You know, as guardians, as parents.
Yes.
And make a chook eye where.
Yeah. And it even change for the better. There's a good part too, because children these days, their intelligence, is on another level.
Only say that small line, I just cut that intelligence level into another thing.
Because I get niece, barely 8 years old, where they tell me, say, Auntie Mayawa, can we discuss? You know? It's interesting. It's interesting.
Anyway, now welcome. Throwback Thursday times. So welcome now again. Myself, Ogbolo, and of course my correct girl, baby wanting thing of every of the everys. Mayolistic Mayowa. We are here together again on the white and white P.
Why do we always wear the same thing?
Dear, see, like say we supposed to go think back some things.
This friendship is from heaven. This friendship is from heaven. This friendship is from heaven. It is from the roots.
Oh, yeah. Break. Fire, they blindfold the guy. This This kind of one now, you know, if the say all of now close eye, they chop eba.
Yeah.
He go sharp finish the food before you. Because he just know where the thing they eba soup. You now you go blindfold your eye. You don't know where you go carry.
You go just check out inside nose.
What's out there? They say they wash
eye.
Check out for your mind as soup you take.
You didn't even clean your hand. Why are you very dirty?
I'm not dirty.
You didn't even wash your hands.
Wash my hands for
your hands.
My hands from
yes.
what? From what?
From James.
Who's James?
James and Jones.
No, I wash them. Can't you see that clean?
Okay, why you are not there? Come on, your hand. Yeah, why you are not even when you touch your hand, your mouth?
These fingers are clean.
Oh my God! I don't even want to think about it. Oh my God! Clean. No way! Give us the hand, the hand.
Now you know what they think.
Before I talk, what I'm not supposed to stop. Give us the hand, the hand. God, no way.
We will play guitar. You know, try also. You know. Bram, 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 bram.
Okay. you put us in trouble, this boy. This boy.
What's happened?
You put us in trouble, this boy.
No for guitar.
What's back?
That's it. Isn't it? Yeah.
Eat your belly, whether you don't chop today, who knows?
I never shop.
Who knows?
I never shop.
Okay, so it's an interesting story I want you to start today. And this story, they give me, I don't know whether they give me laugh or they give me reason to wonder. Or they wonder there's a why for everything. Because this one now, you just ask the person, Uncle, why? Why are you doing what you are doing? Why you want to brainwash yourself so much?
Why, oh, why?
Kai. This particular man, his name is Jan Mohammed, doctor from Pakistan, is on a mission to produce 100 children.
Wow.
Ask me, say, why he want to do that thing?
Why he want to do that thing?
Jan Mohammed talk, say, according to Islam, the Prophet Muhammad talk, say, anybody where he bring people, for those who they practice the religion of Islam, he say, anybody, the Quran talk, say, anybody where the more you bring people to Islam, the more you secure your space in heaven.
Oh.
So the guy, for his own interpretation now,
make him burn them.
His own be say, he won't burn all the 100 children. He get 3 wives now. One name na Bibi Nazgul, she be 32 years old. The other one na Nor Bibi, she be 28 years old. And then Hayat Bibi, 25 years old. Now, the 3 of them don't born 14 boys and 21 girls. So 35 children in all. He say one marry 4th wife to speed up the process. It's amazing.
He's very active. Now, very active man. You understand? Because if many people decide to use their energy, they born children up and down like this man.
All of them, they stay for inside the same roof. One 12-room house where we say they build them on top. 4,000 square meter property is quite big. And then they run one small practice for Quetta and they earn salary of about 100,000 rupees. That's about $955 in a month. Yes.
They make money with that.
$955 in a month. No. So if he give everything to his children, he say, they discriminate. He say, boys, girls, all of them go school. But in mission, now to burn them, because 100. If you say once if he burn them, nothing no go make him enter heaven.
No, that means now for a man, a mansion in heaven. That is in heaven is a big boy. It's a big boy based on the own children. But that guy gets sense. So he say if I cannot convert people into Islam,
I can just burn them. What an interpretation!
Wow, wow!
What an interpretation!
Every other religion, maybe I take note. You say you can come and burn your own. As far as the guy don't worry anybody, Abi. He get 3 wives.
Excuse me.
Everybody don't give them one by one.
He's not doing it illegally. Number one.
Nah.
He's married to the 3 of them. Polygamy is allowed where it comes from.
Yes.
He's married to the 3 of them. It is a natural legal po. So you understand? So the the children is quite illegal. So as I was saying, this is the news they say we should give you.
Yes.
So our opinion really doesn't matter.
At all.
Because the thing is that he has do what he wants to do. He has gone 100 minus 35. Wait, let's calculate this thing. 100 minus 30.
100 minus 30
is 70. 70 minus 5.
65.
So 65 more to go. He's still going to pour
65 more. Yeah. So, no, 65. Not be 65 go work. Maybe I want to say 65 more to go. But you go do like, like
so
200
if the 3 wives give him
more.
35 children, that means say each of them born 10.
Yes.
If they born 10 each, that's not 30. They can add 2 to 1. So each of them if he born 12 11.
One
woman.
No, you marry more.
No, he's saying will they find the fourth person will go fit being wife so that I go speed up the process. Maybe that one go born 20.
You go see find that one joy because 65 to go.
Get like 3 extra wife.
According to me, no fit go the born 10.
Yes, now if you can't get 3 more, you understand? That means 35 plus 35, that's 70. You go still get 2 more.
When now they
complete
talking
the 100. So if you get like 5 or 6 more wives
to complete 100. Uncle, you are a bornist. Even pig self not a ball like this. Goats not a ball like this. What's wrong with you?
Oh, but that's just your opinion.
Anyways, my opinion.
For in my mind, they do better. I believe him. Leave Jam Muhammad.
He's secure a place on top the heaven place based on his Islam beliefs. Okay, for my own gist now. This thing is very, very noble. Very you see, normally we don't talk say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. But some people where they go thief. Say
senseless things.
No, be say senseless thing. They go thief because you don't get any other choice again. They don't bend your hand, go back. Like this man now, what I want to talk about now. He say when in wife, they will try to born their pikin, she can't enter coma. So they can't, after she tried to born the pikin, she enter coma, they can't hospitalize her. She can't stay in coma. And she did not spend all the money where he gets. So now, better poverty can't they worry them. So him and his small pikin can't they waka for hours. They don't waka. The pikin is hungry, can't they catch him. Now they say, Daddy, I want to eat. Daddy, I want to eat. The man say, he look in hand, no money. He say, look in pocket, no money. Look bank account, no money. He say, what I go do now? Now I just look, you just see one store where they sell fruits, they sell drink, they sell different things. Now I say, well, be like I say today now, make I just go thief. Make I just put my pride down, or my ego, or my sensibility down. Make I just go thief this thief, because this boy must shop. If not me, not money, but this boy must shop something. As they walk out the store, now they carry apple, carry different fruits, carry drink. You give the boy, say shop. The boy shop. Now they say, they just show come up for the supermarket. Now owner of the supermarket shout, hey!
Bail up
you there. You come and thief. The man say, you know the night. I thief.
This is the reason why
I come and thief the thief. Then the man come say, he say never see person wey come thief before.
Wait tell
am, who say thief.
I thief.
Say this man just
kill me today, kill me.
Say the man just when the man come give am the gist of it, wetin dey happen to am. He say, oh, he come say okay, he go fit help. The best way he go fit take help. Say like this now, I take this small money hold o. Make you take the thing touch am. As man to man now, you understand? Give am small money, say make you hold this one, and this one where you don't thief, no worry, no go call police, And anytime you want work, if you come here, come work,
we'll give you
small work, give you small job, mate, they hold something. He said the man no end there, they still go visit the woman for hospital. They visit the wife for hospital, say, hey, we carry this small thing, can't give you now. Una do, sorry. The woman don't come for her coma, but she lose the pikin. You understand? They still go visit the man for house. They say when they enter the house, they say, no, if you see poverty, you use cutlass, whole cutlass, like they look them, say, if you not rich, I go shy you, you know? So, but now, the man don't offer, say, I no go call police, so say you can't thief. Say, because this thief free where you thief.
No be your fault.
Not be your fault. Now, because some kind of thing, you understand?
I'd rather give you a job.
I'd rather give you a job than call police for you.
How noble.
You understand? Very, very noble move. But nobody say that you wait a year now, go me say,
don't try it.
You can't go do it.
Because
Kiri, they call you like this.
Hey, it's not even Chris.
Oh.
You know the one he's doing me. Because in this place, people they lie for Africa. People they lie. So if you go do them, squeeze, nobody go want investigate wetin they do your family.
No.
They go don't put you tire first.
Oh, first before wetin you want talk say.
Before somebody can say, hey, yeah, you go don't die finish. Before you say, hey, yeah, I know am o.
And I know am.
See wetin happen. Oh, they can say, oh, that na why it is, but you don't die. My brother did try it much.
Please. So no God say because we give you gist now, make you go try yourself.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Please, don't worry. God will provide for you and family. And me. We dey come back right now. We'll continue on top of Yan the Yan and the Scuff Maya one of balls, baby. We are here, you know. Don't go nowhere, you know what I'm saying? As I roll. As I roll, man. As I roll. We're all rolling like that. Now, welcome back. All right, we get one video, one play given now. I'm going to see some kind of things and how very, very resilient some people be. You know,
how very what?
Very resilient.
You just said resilient.
Yeah.
What in God's name is resilient?
Resilient. That means say no matter what they throw give you, you don't allow and shake you down. You understand? You resist. That's what resilience means. See this girl. You know no book.
Let's see the video.
Oh yeah, make we see the video. Now table tennis. See smashing. Collect. Hey,
the great way they do for you, jump and pass. Continue till you achieve your goals. That is what it means. Kene gan. And to body say I don't be man can say kill.
No. Not try you.
And to body say I don't be.
No, forget. See, that time I get one service that year.
Which service you want service?
We dey call am
Who be this?
Robo did that. You understand? That robot, you go like this, you go cut him. Yeah! You understand? When it hits your table, hit that person's table, you go like
make sound.
The person will do like this. You understand? Then you got the one they call that Tinko Day. Robot Day, Tinko Day. That Tinko Day, boop, as in life of that person own. It don't come out. Then a Shade. When you cut her, you cut her. Yeah! Yeah! You don't get how you want to catch her. What beer? They don't. Yeah, that's right. That year, we now be street.
Shut up.
That would be street. Not joke. You understand? So that would be what they call Esha. Yeah. Then Tinko under like this. You do. You go just miss. Then come get Robo. Yeah. That you go roll it like this. What it? The person will fall like this. You understand? So,
you got so far from this.
My guy, I just explain. You say, I understand that guy.
Hold you.
That guy just now my guy. You understand? Children, then they play table tennis now.
Oh my word! Oh Lord, God. Okay. The second even you tire,
I tire, my sister.
You tire. Your intestine be like say they tight am.
You can't shift the mitochondria. So, but I remember that thing just remind me days. They want to play small bench.
Small one.
Small bench.
Drum.
Use chalk tape drum. Can't hold small slates. Like,
only you go come down one to be like semi
that would be the now you can't get your own. That one get your own. Things they don't change. We don't stop. Table soccer. Yeah. Oh no. We continue.
Okay, for inside China, yes. This particular Chinese company, then they say what thing they go feed do to increase the productivity and workforce and the productivity and the working attitude of their employees. Now in the content camp say, okay, the owner of the particular company na pet lover, in love pets. Now in contact say, make we call everybody sit down, make we vote, make we talk about them. Say make people they bring their pets come work. Make every day a pet day. I mean every day of the job, bring your pets come work. People can't talk, say, how this one won't take work. But when they sat down, then vote for them and everything, people agree to them, so they start to do them. And the guy talks, say, shortly into when they start to do them, he actually increase productivity. You know why? He said workers are a lot more relaxed. Because they are pets, and then they interact more. Because, you know, this one dog, feed the eye that one dog. You understand? Or this one cat, feed the lick that one cat ear. You understand? So they were able to relate more. Yes. They work better. Yes. Because some of them, they worry, say, I won't go, my pet's their house. If he never chop, if he never this, if he never that. So everybody, they take care of him pet. And at the same time, then they do their work. And the guy talks, say, the productivity of everything has increased a lot. In fact, he say, right now, the animals just roam freely among our staff. They really do make our work less stressful.
Wow.
So the guy don't commission and now say, as far as my company confirm, if you get pets and they work for me, feel free to bring your pets.
Wow.
Anything to make you feel comfortable, because as it say now they are a team, the productivity is higher, income is higher, the amount of that they are generating is quite higher. So everything's just higher. Because of this new pet development.
But for me, I try to think for inside Nigeria. You carry bingo. Go now.
No be even session.
I say Tani, you can't hold bingo.
No be bingo. You know say bingo say.
Bingo
even too small, lucky.
Lucky, yeah. When you can't carry bingo, okay, you carry bingo, come office. I can't carry lucky.
Lucky.
They call the no.
They call the lucky.
How many people they train their dog for this place? Say keep quiet and they go shut up.
Keep quiet. I make you go find where they sell teddy bear. Comfortable for there. Give them poo. Just peace for there.
You know, they shit up and down, they worry the whole world, they tear on a fire.
Or you get monkey.
Yeah? I beg.
You get monkey.
Mojo live out. Mojo even think at all, self. But well, now for that side, if it happen, no, it they help their emotions.
Yes, because those people, properly. The kind of things that they are attached to. Yeah, oh, wow.
No. Our own here different. It does different. Finishly, my own gist for the finishly gist. See, I did talk on. See, once you are physical handicap no mean say they mentally handicapped.
Oh, okay. Yes. Physical disability doesn't mean mental disability.
Now,
I know
this particular
like that.
no, but the meaning be that because the same thing way I talk now you talk. There is ability in
your
every disability.
Thank you very much.
Let me tell you something. The fact that you are disabled in a particular physical form, not mean say for your mental, you know go feel operate things mentally. Now, this particular lady, Lee Ju-hong, that is her name. Now she be 37 years old, but for 15 years now, for like 15 years. Okay, before I give you the full gist. This lady, when she be small, one tickly baby, small girl, she say one big truck climb her leg, scatter her leg, so she don't come feel the waka again. But she don't get dreams since to be medical doctor. So for the villager the first day, she can say, okay, I will be a medical doctor. She can carry waka, go outside, go city, go learn medicine, come back later, come start to work for her village for them. Can say, based on her medical doctor waka, she must help people there for her village. They did all right. So far, she don't treat more than 1,000 patients. Yeah. You understand? And that her leg will not come good. She use one small bench like the waka. Okay. You understand? So far, she don't, about 24 of those bench. Now she don't use that small wooden stool. Now she don't use the waka. She dey go from place to place. They do house calls. Some people call her for house. So they can't treat us for house. But luckily for her, she can't marry one correct guy. In the process,
we believe in her dreams and her work.
Love her, say, man, baby girl.
It can change everything.
Yes, even though without your leg, I still love you. I love your humanitarian service. I love the fact that you get better heart.
Yes, that wound in your leg is the reason why I smile.
Oh, the guy look at you, say, when you carry her leg up, when you kiss all the small leg will remain. Different things. See, sometimes they carry her for back. They go do house calls, understand, for outside, but somehow, right now, she say for her, she do everything she do now based on her heart. So even if government or anybody don't recognize her, but she, as far as her heart, they do what she don't they dream of since when she's small. Say her disability no make her stop at all. So that will be a message for somebody for outside there. Don't let your disability make you inability.
These days, it always pain me when people. These days, it always pain. It always pain me when people can't talk plenty talk. Let me tell you something. But it's even still nice. He's still saying it nicely. Maybe it's a message for you. Hello, auntie, uncle. These days they don't used to do so. Tell somebody if you are doing bad thing, you know. If you are doing good thing, you know. You have no right to be involved in whatever crime. You have no right to be involved in whatever misdeed. You have no right to decide to keep your talent and not use it. So find what you can do and do it well. Simple and short. Don't be begging anybody anymore.
Laugh now, short one. No. This thing never work for men. It never work for men. It never work for men. Okay. As it be like this now, ladies and gentlemen.
Paddy.
Yes.
Ooh, I felt it.
Even me, I feel them.
Oh, that must
we love
have
all
hurt.
of you.
Oh my God.
At Wazobia Paddy send us tweets message. We love all of you.
Yeah,
get better rest.
Have a nice day.
Woo!
You dey feel am?
I dey feel am, yeah. Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.